Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to give you a tips the way how you can do a color grade to make your picture much more better results only with your iPhone. You just need to open your photo library on your phone, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to adjust right here. So I already have this picture. You can see the quality of this picture is quite low, so I would like to increase this. So the way to do that, tap on this picture and I'll be like pop up the options, and then you just need to go tap into these three small dots. My bad. Click edit, and now we just need to take a look right away on this bottom feature. Now if you want to do the color grading, just maximize or optimizing every section for this. So first could be the exposure. The exposure is for adding and reducing the light. So let's check which one is better, adding the light or reducing the light. Great, I would like to reducing the light since it could be great for the picture. Again, the level or the value for each section could be different. It is dependent to your picture or raw picture, so just adjusting it. The next, I would like to skip for brilliant and highlight first, and I will let to jump right away into the shadows. The shadows here will be adding the shadows or dark color into the dark spot. You'll see if I reducing it drag into the left side, the black color will be like pop up, so that will give like a shadow for several area on this picture. I'll let you do with the -30. Now the contrast, it's also important because it can like popping up the every section on the picture. If you want to add a contrast, drag it into the right side, guys. So you see your picture could be more contrast than before. This will be less contrast, and this one will be adding the contrast. I'll let to add for 30. Now brightness. Brightness, it's quite the same with exposure, but it could be like have more complex. So if you want to add, just drag into the right side. If you want to keep less, drag it into the left side. I will let you have less, but not that much. Great. Now the black one, it could be also similar with the shadow, but it's just for increasing the intensity of the black color on the picture. I will let to edit more. And now it goes to vibrancy and saturation. So the saturation here is the way how you can bring your picture. It can be or go to warm or cool. Warm could be adding or highlighting the yellow green color, while for the left side could be decreasing or into the cool tone, so it could be more gray highlighted there. So I would like to increase it so that the view could be have more intense color, and the vibrancy is also the same. It will be increasing the color on the picture. You'll see if I drag it into the right side, it could be increasing the intensity of the color itself. And now this one is the warmth. The warmth here is adding the yellow color inside of the picture, and the cool color will adding the green blue color on it. So I would like to have the cool one. So you'll see now the view beside me could be have more toned up color. And now that's the sections that I use the most. If you want to see before and after, so it could be the before, and this one is the after. It's quite better than before. Now click done, and you're totally finished the process. That's for today's tutorial, guys. If you still have some questions, just drop the questions into the comment sections below, and we will meet again into other tutorial.